beautiful girls, how are you all? I'm Joita and you're watching Mommy to Teddy. In today's video, I have come to share an amazing experience with you all. Nature Essence has launched a beautiful skincare solution which combines the power of nature and science with 5 hand-picked Nature Essence facial kit. All of this is precisely formulated to revive, replenish and amplify your natural glow. Now let me tell you the name of this amazing facial kits. Glowing Gold Facial Kit, Brightening Pearl Facial Kit, Brightening Diamond Facial Kit, Gentle Fruit Facial Kit, Flawless Papaya Facial Kit. All of these facial kits comes with a vital pre-facial step that only Nature's Essence offers, a Detan therapy wipe off mask that preps the skin and prepares the stage for transformation. Nature's Essence Detan therapy wipe off mask packed with nature's detan power that is considered as an essential pre-facial step that maximizes the effect of every facial. This is why Nature's Essence provide with this detan therapy wipe off mask as a complement with their all facial kits. Now let me show you how to use this facial kit. In today's video, I will be using this Glowing Gold Facial Kit which prices at only 260 rupees, and this is a 3-use pack. It means each facial prices at only 80 rupees and it is a very easy step facial you can do easily at home. So this is going to be your perfect salon partner at home. Before starting the facial, I really want to showcase you inside the box of it. Okay, so it comes like this. See, there are 4 steps in this facial and this is the vital step to start with, which is the detan therapy. So I'll be starting with this step. Now I'm taking a generous amount of this detan therapy. Massage it onto the skin rather just applying it. Okay, I will be massaging this like this. Okay, gently just massage it into the skin. I'm taking a little bit more and applying it onto my neck. So the Detan therapy wipe off mask is applied onto my face. Now I'll be waiting for 15 minutes and then I'll wipe it off. Wow, it feels supremely moisturized and soft after using this mask. Now I move on to the main facial. So let's get started. The first step, guys, which is the exfoliate. Can you see? This is the first step and it is mentioned as 1 and it is written exfoliate. This is a glowing gold scrub. Okay, so I have taken this peanut size amount and will be massaging onto my wet face. Gently massage it in circular motion onto my face. Massage it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'll clean the scrub. Now it's the time for second step, which is condition, and this is a glowing gold massage cream. Okay, it has essential oils into this and by massaging this cream onto your face, it just preps your skin for step 3. So now let's get started. I'm taking small amount at once and applying in dots on my dampened skin. Okay, I've taken some more and applying in dots. If needed more, you can take it a little after massaging this into your skin. Apply this and massage it for about 15 minutes. Once the massage is done, no need to wash it. Now we will be move on to the third step, which is Hydrate, and it is a glowing gold gel. I'm taking a little amount, this Gold Sparkle Cooling Gel. Now massage this gel after applying it into dots onto your skin and just relax and let this cooling gel absorbs completely, okay? So my skin has absorbed the cooling gel completely and it is ready for the step 4. Now the step 4 is the polish and it is a glowing gold pack. So I'm taking a little amount onto my face and apply it. Try to massage the pack onto your face rather just applying it. Then the effect will be better. Now the application is done and I will wait for 15 minutes to dry it completely. So guys, my face is all clean and you can totally notice the glow onto my face. My face feels super fresh, refreshed and hydrating. My skin feels soft and moisturized and I absolutely love the experience doing this facial at home. It is super easy to do and the dullness is completely gone. I absolutely love this facial. Now let me show you just a before picture and an after picture of this facial and let me show you a visible difference between these two. So guys, hope you liked today's video of my experience by using this Nature's Essence Glowing Go Facial Kit. My skin has just transformed from dull skin to brightening golden glow skin and I absolutely love the experience. I hope you also have, you witness the real experience of this facial. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this facial for 3 months, like one facial at 1 month, and this will cost just 80 rupees per month for this beautiful glowing facial. I hope you liked this facial kit and don't worry if you want to try another varieties because they have 5 different varieties and you can choose as you like. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope if you like this video, if you liked, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and please click the bell icon to get all the notifications from my side. Till then, take care and bye bye.